Namah Shivaya children, welcome to class 9th history, where we were studying about the French Revolution, and we studied there about the Constituent Assembly in the earlier class and discussed about how it was formed by the Estate General. Today we shall continue the class and study how France will become a constitutional monarchy. The National Assembly completed the draft of writing the Constitution in the year 1791. Its main object of doing this was to see that the powers of the monarch are limited, they become less. These powers, instead of being concentrated in the hands of one person, were now separated and they were given to different institutions, that is the legislature, executive and judiciary. This made France a constitutional monarchy. You can see the picture here where the division is there: judiciary, executive and legislature. You can see their active citizen, passive citizens, all these are there. Constitution of 1791 vested the power to make the laws in the National Assembly, which was indirectly elected. That is, citizens who voted for a group of electors who in turn choose the assembly, means they will choose the assembly. Not all the citizens were having the right to vote. Then who were there to vote? Only men who were above 25 years of age, and also not only this, they had to pay the taxes equal to at least 3 days of laborer wages, and they were given the status of active citizen, and also they were eligible to vote. Remaining who were there, men and all women, they were called as passive citizen. To qualify as an elector and then as a member of the assembly, a man had to belong to the highest bracket of taxpayers. The constitution began with a declaration of rights of man and citizen. In India, you have the constitution with preamble. In the same manner, here it is declaration of rights of man and citizen. Now let us study about the symbols or national symbols of France. And also let us understand what it means. You can see here two images. One is broken chain, another one is bundle of rods or feathers. First one, let me explain what is the meaning of this. The broken chain. Chains were used to fetter slaves. A broken chain stands for the act of becoming free. Second figure which you are seeing is the bundle of rods or faces. One rod can be easily broken, but an entire bundle cannot be done so, isn't it? So they are telling here the meaning that strength will be there only when they are united. The eye within a triangle radiating light means the all-seeing eye stands for knowledge here. The lights of the sun will drive away the clouds of ignorance, means all should have education, knowledge of what is happening in the country. Scepter, and here you can see snake biting its tail form of a ring. So scepter is symbol of royal power. Snake biting its tail to form a ring, it is symbolizing eternity. Ring has no beginning or end. Then red Phrygian cap you can see here, and blue, white, red. So here first one, that is the red Phrygian cap, the cap that is worn by slave on being free. Blue, white, red are the colors. They are national colors of France. Then there is a winged woman sitting here. This shows that personification of law. Okay, so these are the meaning of these symbols which were used by the people of France. Now let us continue about the next content in the next class, children. That's all for today. Namah Shivaya.